Hello guys and girls, people of the world, my name is Andi Aditya Pratama Putra and I'm a student at a senior high school in Bandung. And today in this video, I get an assignment from my English teacher to make a video about explaining an explanation text. Wow, that is really interesting, isn't it? Explaining an explanation text. Well, let's get right to the PowerPoint. So everyone, I get a PowerPoint from the internet. I literally just type what is an explanation text in the search bar, and this is literally the first one that pop up. I already read it. It's informative and gives you knowledge about explanation text. So what is an explanation text, you may ask? An explanation text gives you an information about a subject that you are interested in or would you like to know more about. It is usually a text that aims to explain a process like how glass is recycled. And then there's a definition and purpose in explanation text. The definition tells process relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. And explanation text is to say why and how of the forming of the phenomena. It is often found in science, geography, and history textbooks. The generic structure of the explanation text is there is one general statement stating the phenomenon issues which are to be explained, and the second one sequence explanation stating a series of steps which explain the phenomena, and then there's closing sum up the explanation and talks about its application. There's a language features. There's one featuring generic participants such as sun, rain, etc. Using chronological connection to begin with, next, etc. Using passive voice pattern, using simple present tense, using abstract noun, using action verb, using conjunction of time, using noun phrases, using adverbial phrases, and using technical terms. There's an example of language features. You can pause if you want to write it, if you need to read it. And then explanation text also includes present tense, connectives, diagrams and pictures, writing, and explanation text. The structure of an explanation text in explanation text usually starts with a statement that introduces that subjects or topic to the reader, such as lots of animals like hedgehogs, badgers, and mice hibernate during the winter. What next? Next, there comes a series of steps that explain how things happen or the reasons why, such as this is because it gets much colder and darker during the winter of months. When it gets colder, foods like berries and insects become hard to find. Therefore, some animals find a safe place to sleep and store energy until the plants start to grow again and the food is more plentiful. This step continues until the question has been answered or the explanation is complete. Next, present tense. Explanation texts are usually written in the present tense because they are explaining how or why something happens. To do this, they explain it as if it is happening now. And then there's connectives. Explanation texts usually use words called connective that explain things in order one after another. Some of the connective you might find are, firstly, next, then, after that, meanwhile, eventually, later, and finally. Other connective explain how things work or why things happen, such as because, so, and this means. Next, diagram and pictures. Explanation texts often include diagrams, pictures, or charts, so help you understand. Diagram and charts always have title, and picture will always have a question underneath. For example, there's a fox. Animals like this, there's a badger actually. Animals like this badger hibernate during the winter. Make sure that your caption explain exactly what is going on to help the reader to understand why is it here. So you need a picture to help understand what is this. What can the reader understand? What is the explanation? I think that's it for explanation text, and I hope this video is really useful to watch and hope you can understand what I'm saying right now. And that's it. Bye bye.